old Jeeps get rebuilt, not replaced. Remember that. Okay, so we're back in the shop. We're still working on this beast behind me. This time in this episode of Working on Turd, we're working on the truss kit for the 44. Daryl's continuing to do more body work because he's amazing. So that's what we're working on in the shop today. Whoop. Nearly got impaled. The cancer on this Jeep is a lot more extensive than we had originally anticipated.
On this side.
On Dwayne's side?
Driver's side.
I say Dwayne's side because it's Dwayne's Jeep.
Look at me. I'm the driver, always.
Turd needs lots of love. Noisy neighbors in here, I tell ya.
He's the silent knock sound partner in the radio.
Make all the noise?
Me too.
I still think I'm getting the jokes. It's vacuum time. So because we are switching the paint color, we unfortunately have to take off this massive decal. Now it doesn't look that big until I put my hand here. Then it's huge. But it's gotta come off, so let's get to it. My job today is to clean and sand this roll bar. A little bit of mud.
This is after Daryl washed it 1.5 times. Pull it all apart. There's always heating up the welding. The drain plug, which is really nice in the bottom of these aftermarket covers, but it's not rock proof.
Did you find what? Did you strike water?
That's not a good thing.
I know that's not a good thing.
Not with a, just a little bit down at the bottom.
Okay.
Look how clean that is.
That's good.
Oh, there's no milkshake. Dwayne's got me sitting on his axle. As a counterweight. Yep. A good woman will bring balance to your life. I'm only useful because I'm heavy.
Hey, Daryl.
Yeah.
Is that way loosened?
Ready to you, Dr. Lucy?
Is it backwards?
Uh-oh. We're getting the big boys out.
Ready? Yeah. Can you hold that? Okay, ready?
Dwayne told me that I couldn't sing in here. That's the rule about being in the garage. No karaoke. He didn't say anything about dancing.
Daryl, she's gotta go. She's dancing. The TMR truss kit that we got from Jeff is for an 44 out of a TJ, which has skinnier tubes, and the center section is a little bit, the carrier is a little bit different, so I had to modify this a bit to my application.
Welding is like sewing, but with fire. Did you put your axle back to bed? No, it's not a morning axle. It likes to go back to bed.
No, it's cooling off slowly.
Slowly cooling off.
Yeah.
And the reason why you're doing this is because, well, you're a welder and you understand how these things work. But you can't let it cool down too fast or it'll crack the cast, right?
It's welding mumbo jumbo. So it's not pretty because it's all been peened. That's another welding mumbo jumbo term.
Coo coo coo! So Daryl, you're disassembling the back here.
Yeah, I can put the CJ tailgate on.
A little worse for wear in some areas, but and these are seized, but it's pretty cool.
I'm heating outside one. Is that one you're heating too?
Yep.
Okay. You can't be stuck if it's liquid. Oh, look at that.
Nice. Dwayne's decided that he's going to want a flip down tailgate instead of the traditional swing tailgate that the YJ has. This tailgate is from
cool factor.
because it has a cool factor and it does say Jeep. This tailgate is from an 83 CJ that we had gotten as a parts vehicle as a donor. And it's all mocked into place and I think it looks really cool. What do you think?
But like the rest of Turd, this tailgate needed some love.
done playing. This Jeep is coming together and it's amazing to see it. And there's still mud in it. What color would you change this Jeep to? Comment down below what you think. That's a wrap for this video. This is our third video of working on Turd and it is coming along. I do promise you that. Please like and subscribe to the channel and we're gonna see you out on the trail next time. Okay, bye.
This isn't your pig roast stand. This is...
Yeah, Terry.
That's good because that part's in my way. I mean, I need like a lot, and this is a short pig, man.
Hi, Daryl.
Hi.
Dwayne's just playing with his axle.
That's what she said.
That's what she said.